Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can capture the screen and make screenshots in the Vivaldi web browser really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. Now guys, there are basically two different ways. You may, for example, use your keyboard or shortcuts on your keyboard, for example, to make screenshots of your display, depending on your operating system, of course. So that may be, for example, the print key on your keyboard. However, guys, if you'd like to do it specifically here on Vivaldi and, for instance, make screenshots or capture only specific parts of, of the display you visit through the Vivaldi web browser, you may do that too. And make use of a simple feature here on Vivaldi called screen capture. To do that, head over to Vivaldi web browser and focus or pay attention to that icon here at the very bottom, capture page. So click on it. And after that, simply mark the area here on your display you would like to capture. So let me capture, for example, that part here. And use your left mouse for it, like it's very intuitively, guys. And simply release your left mouse just like that. After that, select the output file format like JPEG, PNG. And click on capture here to save it in your download location on your computer. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.